This is the bronze color, by the way. We also have the silver bronze, which I don't have here. So this is the big semi. It's actually the second fastest growing product that we launched in the last year. So Pista was number one, semi is number two. So this is semi, it's been a great tool for us and designers. This is the small one. You can see how much smaller it really is. It's very, very cool. It has a little either lens or reflector. It's all magnetic. It has snoot accessories. So this is the little semi that will come out next year. I mentioned the hollow product. So this is hollow. This diameter here is about 4.5 inches. And you can kind of see the scale of my hand here. And the depth, it's shorter than a 2x4. So from a wall standpoint, if you're using it in a wall, you don't have to worry about depth or anything like that. And then in terms of how this thing articulates, I will try to demonstrate this best as possible. So you rotate this, and then it comes out like that. And then the inside here will glow, and again, you can do different color combinations of these things. And then this whole thing rotates like this. So you definitely get full adjustability with this. So that's hollow. This will be also a remote driver, by the way, no housing, nothing to deal with there.